If you're a DJ and you're trying to create content, this video is definitely for you. With this device, most people think that this device is mainly for podcast creators, but it's a lot more than that. And today I'm going to show you 3 main ways you can use the RODEcaster Video S as a DJ. So the first way you can utilize this device, the RODEcaster Video S, as a DJ is to do what we're doing right here. We can use this device as a talking head video to talk about your experience as a DJ, as this, as that, especially for a lot of people that do gig logs. We can use that as a gig log video type of setup. And your gig log video would look like something similar to this. Not exactly like that, but it would look like something that basically as you play in your video, or if you are wherever you edit in your video from, you know, just talking. Basically, you just have a camera you can have a phone connected to this. This is my phone angle right here. And this also allows you to do like product reviews, overhead shots. If you have a product, like we can do a complete review of this device right here just with a phone. The phone can be mounted wherever, or 2 phones, 2 cameras. You can do videos like this, talking head, sitting down at a setup, talking to your followers like I'm doing right now. And that's easy. The second best way that you can use a device like this, which is the RODEcaster Video S, is to record your DJ mixes. Now, a lot of times as DJs, we are creating different scenes on OBS, and we're trying to use OBS to run the microphone, the cameras, everything to OBS, and then OBS to wherever streaming platform that we want it to be or recording. So you can record your mixes that way. This is a little extra bonus I'm about to give you right now. Pay attention. Also, I don't recommend it. First of all, disclaimer out there, I do not recommend it. Pay for all of your songs, pay for your music and all of that. I don't recommend doing this at all. But it allows you to play the music from wherever you get your music from. Whatever system that you're using, you just plug and play. As long as it lets you play the music, you can record. Again, like I said, pay for your stuff. Pay the people. If you don't get nothing straight, get this part right. Make sure you pay the artist for the music. But I'm just saying, there's people that's not going to listen anyways. That's you. You're not going to listen anyways. But either way, you allowed to play your set like this, record, going live and doing X, Y, Z, blah, blah, blah. The third and easiest way is to actually go live, to start streaming. This device lets you stream to one platform at a time. It lets you connect your streaming platform the same way that you would go to do a live stream. Right here, you add your streaming key. You go the same way you go to Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. You go get your streaming key, and then you get into the device. It's the same way that you set it up. You go into your streaming platform. You type the name, the server, the streaming key. Most of you guys already know how to do that already, because most of you guys have been using OBS and get your streaming key that way to stream. So it's the same way. You can literally go live with this device, doing your setup however you set it up. Again, I have a video how I show you exactly how you can set this up with different camera angles and all of that, how to properly use this. But you can also go live. But just to recap, the first way to use this device is to use talking head videos for your videos, for your setup and all of that. The second best way that you can use this device is to record your set. As you playing your music, you recording everything, you got a full video that's ready for YouTube. As a DJ, a lot of times we record our mixes, just the audio only. And if you want to post it on YouTube, you got to find a way for you to put some type of video. You might as well just record this entire mix, just put it on YouTube, because you don't have to cut anything. Only thing you have to do, put on the camera and then set this up. You start recording, start playing your music, then you're ready to roll. And like we said, the third best way to use it is to go to any streaming platform that you're currently using. Just add your streaming key and then you go live just like that. Everybody can hear you. You cannot hear them, but they can hear you. They can hear your music, your mix is playing. Talking on the microphone, you can have both connected directly to this device. You can have a microphone and you can have a speaker or whatever that you want going back to here, or you can get the sound directly from your HDMI cable. On the previous video, I show you exactly how I set this entire thing up for easy for you to go live and do what you need to do. If you want me to break down exactly how I record my mixes step by step, let me know in the comment down below, and then I will do a full video tutorial of me actually DJing with this setup. Keep in mind, this setup is not necessarily for events, for outdoors, because it's a lot of cables. As you can see, there's a lot of cables here on top of all the cables that you're gonna have for your DJ set. So this is mainly for you to stay home. If you decide to get a device like this, you're not going to regret it, because with this device, you can record, you can go live, you can teach all at the same time. You can do live switching. It saves you time when it comes to the edit. So with that being said, let me know if is that something you're interested in, because I don't see nobody talking about this. Let me know if that's something that DJs are thinking about or interested about. I don't know. Let me know. Anyway, so that's the video for today. Again, like, subscribe, comment. Remember, if you don't see this video, it's because you're not subscribing to the channel. And if you want to see more content about reviews, about DJ setup, about DJ gears, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment. So every time I post, you have a notification that comes your way, let you know, hey, this DJ just posted about XYZ. All right. See you in the next one. Peace.